Here I got my new Leotek EV Series LED right here, and my dead Safetran Type 1 electronic bell. Move that out the way for now. I'm gonna put this inside my Western Cullen Hayes light right here. You can see it right there. Now with this, I was able to get a Safetran Type 1 eBay off of eBay. Unfortunately, it's dead, I think. I tried to get it to ring. I kind of suspected something when I bought this because this is an old bell. So I wasn't really that bummed out, but oh well. I just can't do the videos I was going to do with it since it doesn't work. But yeah, I just wanted to show that. I wanted to show you guys the back side of the Leotek LED light. And the side slot lights. There it goes.